As you can see here, I have a Google slide presentation. I'm just about to start, but I see some of these themes and one doesn't seem to be of interest to mine. And so I might select one, but I want to adapt it because I'm sick of using the same type of template every single time. So I'm going to go ahead and select beach day. But you know what? Maybe that neon green is just, or teal is a little too much. What you can do is you can come into the slide menu option here and go into Edit Master. By going into Edit Master, what you're doing is think of it like the behind the scenes to each of your slides. And so I can say, you know what, every time I add in a title slide into my presentation, I want to change it just a slight, just a little bit. So what I can do is I can say, you know what, look at this. Maybe I want to move that text, or this is actually a white text box. So you notice that it actually is, the background is an entire neon green background. So maybe I want to change that. And instead, maybe I want to change that background instead of that color. Maybe make it just a little lighter color, like a blue. Right? So now I can come in here, I can drag this in, and maybe instead of white, we want to make this be a different color. So maybe we want to make that be a gray. And I can just move the text back here. So now every single time I come in here, and as you can see, I did this very quickly, but the next time I add a title slide, it will pull in whatever I created in the Edit Master. And so if I come in here, maybe on this slide, I want to add in some triangles. I don't know, because I'm doing some geometric thing. Yes, no, I don't know. So I can come in here, and now I've completely changed the master for the slide that has section header. And maybe I want this font to be Railway instead. Right, so now if I get out of this again and I come in and I insert a section header, not only did I change the font, but I now added in these triangles because I want them in there every single time. So I encourage you to go in next time you actually create a presentation. If you want to change things up a bit, go into Edit Master, play around, and have some fun.